Hi, it's Russell from Hit the Trail, and thanks for joining me. You may recall recently I did a take a look video at the Kestrel-68 backpack from Osprey. Today what we're going to do is we're actually going to pack that rucksack and we're going to see just what fits inside the Kestrel-68. Before we get into the video, please just take a moment, click the subscribe button and help support our channel. We really appreciate it, and as always, drop us a comment with any feedback and thoughts, and if you want to see something, just let us know and we will try and bring out another video to help you. So let's take a look at what fits inside the Kestrel-68. So what we've done is we've got together all the kit that we think that you would need for a 2 to 3 day multi-trekking hike. All of our clothes are packed in packing cubes, food, sleeping bag, pillow, first aid kit, map, walking poles, sleep mat, rubbish bag, extra water bottle, gas, stove, tent, additional layers, wash kit. So let's see how it all goes into the bag. Okay, so if you remember watching the video that we made with all of the features of this bag, you'll recall that it's got one of the features that I really like is the way that the front of the bag opens up. So not only can you get into the top of the bag, as you would with any normal rucksack, but you can also go into the bag almost like it's a duffel. So you've got that split level inside the bag. So let's start down the bottom of the bag and let's put our sleeping bag in there. And then let's put our pillow in with the sleeping bag. Okay, so sleeping bag and pillow. Okay, now in here, this is packed out with 3 days worth of food. We've got coffee, this is fantastic by the way if you've not tried it. Tea, Nordic berries, I can highly recommend this. And then we've got all your normal fire pots and wayfarer meals. So we've actually got 12 pouches inside there, plus the tea, plus the coffee. So enough food there for 3 meals for about 3 days. Okay, so pop that in. Okay, so clothing wise I've got trousers, shirts, pants, socks down there still, jackets, shorts, t-shirts. So again, something for daytime, something for if it's a bit cooler in the evening. So like I say, the nice thing that I like about this is that if you're in the tent, you can actually just open the bag and get to everything. Okay, so what's in this one? Let's have a quick look. Okay, that's socks and pants. This one's hat and gloves from memory. Yeah, woolly hat and nice pair of Wakayama extra gloves. I've had those for about 10 years now and they're brilliant. Okay, so I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's just do that front section up. Let's open that off. And that one. Now this is the first time that I've packed this bag. I've never packed it before. Okay, so that's how it's looking at the moment. Don't forget we've got that lovely stuff pocket on the front if we want to use that. Alright, so let's fold the top back. Okay, you know what I've forgotten to do there? I forgot to put the hydration in. So hydration, slide that down the back. Tube. That just tucks into the bag here. Clipping that on. Okay, so in the top of our bag, what we got left? Well, we've got, okay, so stove, gone for the Primus light, very much like a jet ball. I really love this stove, it's great. We're only boiling water at the end of the day, so that will work perfectly. I've got a lantern for outside the tent in the evening. Gas, Primus sip gas. Okay, so let's just give you a close-up on how that's looking at the moment. You can see, still got plenty of room in the top of this bag. Okay, so what should we do? Let's put sleep mat. And let's just chuck the wash kit in there. Okay, so put this over here, clip it on, and we can pull that in. Head of the bag, still got space. So let's do that up. Now, top pocket, let's use that for mat, first aid kit, fold up cup, long handled spoon. These are brilliant, these are Primus. Great in expedition pouches because short sporks means you get dirty hand from the food, but they're brilliant. Head torch. Okay, and I'm telling you what, that has got loads of room in it. Okay, so let's pull that over. Got those clips. Okay, what we've got? Sleep tent on it. Put the tent here. Okay, this is a Robin's Chaser one-man tent. I love this tent. I've slept in it many times, and if you've got good dry weather and clear nights, you can remove the fly sheet over the top and sleep under the stars, which is honestly really great. Just as a reminder, in the bottom of your bag, so bottom of the bag, just here, so below the tent, you've got your rain cover. Easily accessible, not covered over, so if you do get caught in the rain, which, let's face it, in the UK it's probably going to happen, you can grab it easily and quickly. Okay, so I've got my jacket, which in case it gets cold, we could put it in here. We can do that by just slackening off the front here, stuff it down inside there. A couple of catches here, which we haven't done up yet. There's the straps, here they are. On there. And the other one. Pulls all that in, makes all that nice and neat and tidy. Okay, side pocket. So additional water flask. These side pockets are huge. So you can push that flask all the way down inside there, but I mean look how much room is still in there, loads. And don't forget, this can actually be accessed from the side as well, so if you want to, you can have that and access it from the side. Okay, it's in there. There's our hydration coming through. Actually poked that the wrong way. I prefer it on my right arm as opposed to my left arm. So, through there. And through there. Okay. Trash bag. Always carry a trash bag. If not for my own trash, but for picking up trash whilst on the trail. Always leave every bear better than you found it. So I'll tell you what, I'll just slide that in that pouch. And then walking poles. They will clip on the outside. Okay, let's move this. Okay, so that, I'll tell you what, that's super comfortable. So you can see all the gear that we have fitted inside there. Walking poles. I think you'll agree that that really copes with all that gear fantastically well. Got really good shoulder straps, really comfortable, good backpack, hip belt very comfortable, side pockets on the hip back belt that we haven't even used. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that video. And I hope it's been helpful to you if you're thinking about getting one of these bags, and maybe if you're thinking, well, will all my gear fit in it? Hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea. Don't forget to like the video, it really helps us, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.